In this video, I will show you the unboxing of my first TWS purchase, the Truke S1. Okay, so some of you must be wondering what TWS is. TWS stands for True Wireless Stereo. So this is a wireless earbud. So this is the box of the Truke Buds S1, and in the back you can see the specifications. And this is a normal black and white box, and in the box you will also get extra earplugs and the USB cable to charge the charging case, which I forgot to show in the video. Here you can see the Truke Bud S1 box. It's a pebble shaped box, and the box, it's a sliding box. Here is the warranty card and the user manual. And guys, please do not throw the user manual. It's very important. You thank me later. And the sound quality is really great. And when I say that, I mean like one earbud is enough. Like if you're listening to any music or some phone calls, like if you wear only one of the earbud, it is enough. And here you go. These are the two earbuds. One for the left ear and the other one for the right ear, obviously. Such a cute little earbuds, which fits perfectly into both the ears. And you will also get extra earplugs with this. So in case this doesn't fit you, you have the other one as well. So if you are looking for some good quality earbuds at decent price, you can definitely check this out. And if you like my unboxing and this video, please give a thumbs up and please support me by subscribing to this channel. Until next time, bye bye.